Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12X and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device. So basically how to manage it. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the accounts and sync. As you can see above it, we've got whole Google section, and of course we can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using this option. So let me tap on it, and here we have to simply tap on add account. Choose the Google option here and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol. After tapping on next, your device will simply autofill it, as you can see here. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with this option which is currently applied. Of course, you could pick my child option. Just tap on next, and here we can check some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, of course, if you want to. Just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. So let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just got back to this section with adding the account, so we can go back and go back again. And as you can see, this is the account we've just added. And of course, we can remove it also whenever we want to. Just tap on it and tap on more. Tap on remove account and tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear, but be aware that if you have any kind of screen lock set, so the pattern pin or password, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually this is it. This is how to add or remove a Google account in your Xiaomi 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.